really blowing, isn't it?
Pretty. It's horrible. And pretty. Hey, where's your thing we stuck in the ground? It fell down and it fell down.
I know. It has.
Now that umbrella wouldn't stand a chance.
Nope.
It shut it down like.
Not too many
I
umbrellas
don't
to
even think
stand
I
a
can
chance.
sit on that.
Well, you get wet. I'm getting wet.
This is crazy.
Can I stand in it?
No, I got large ones.
The crazy train has left the station.
Oh yeah!
Oh my gosh, look at it come off that roof. Anna, did you see it come off that roof?
Yeah, I know.
Bad time for the train to go by.
This is the worst rain this town has ever had.
No.
Oh, it knocked down a branch.
Look, there is a little bit of hail in that. See
There
it?
is?
Yeah, watch every once in a while you see it bouncing on the sidewalk.
Oh. Put it up, Alex. I'm trying. I'll do it. Hey, I see the hill. Oh, you're stuck here. And it's totally fine.
He's in the thick
Poor
woods.
doggies. They leave them outside, don't they?
No, they can get in their house.
They can get in the house.
Yeah. They have a doggy door.
I see a little beeping noise saying daddy and mom. I'll go check on it.
Very nice. This has rain on it.
I know. There's still a little bit of hail. Woo. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oops, sorry.
They think they'll be safe as long as they touch me. They think they'll be safe as long as they touch me. Together.
Man, it's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I wouldn't be doing that.
Yeah, it's coming from that way.
No, it's not. Trust me.
Feel it. Now I'm cold. Honest.
We don't need an umbrella. Actually, yeah, we do. But